Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by doing two quick things. Get explicit permission from the crew, and flip airplane mode on so you begin from a known state. Once done, leave the phone awake and open settings so you can re-enable only what you need. Make sure you know the onboard Wi-Fi name and any Wi-Fi calling or carrier features your phone supports. This avoids random radio bursts and prepares the device for selectively restoring services in the next step. Now re-enable the permitted radios. Turn Wi-Fi on and join the aircraft's network, because most in-flight connectivity runs over Wi-Fi rather than direct cellular. If your carrier and phone support Wi-Fi calling, enable it so calls and texts route over the plane's internet. This gives you mobile service without the cellular radio. If crew explicitly permits cellular, toggle mobile data on only after permission. Finish by testing. Place a brief call or send a text to confirm Wi-Fi calling or the carrier service is working. If you don't get connection, try toggling Wi-Fi off and back on, forget and rejoin the network, or restart the phone. These clear captive portal hangs. Most importantly, if nothing works, ask the crew whether cellular is allowed or whether the aircraft system blocks certain services. That single clarification usually explains any persistent lack of mobile network access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.